Hi, this is Xiaocun. I'm gonna talk about a Java program I wrote with Eclipse. This is a program for a player and a computer to play rock, paper, scissors. These are my major steps I took. So I wrote a while loop just to ensure continuous play. Then I'm gonna talk about how I compare uh, the choice the choice made by a player and a computer. This is the while loop I just introduced about. It's simply after everything is done, uh, the system will give a prompt, ask if the user want to keep playing. Then we get the answer from user's keyboard, then make comparison accordingly, then evaluate this variable quit. And this variable is our while loop condition. Next, I'm going to be talking about how I made comparison between computer's choice and the player's choice. First of all, I used integer number 1, 2, 3 to represent rock, paper, scissors accordingly. Then I created two variables just to accept the choice made by players and computer. Player's choice will be taken from user's keyboard again. Then computer's choice is made by a random number generator. Then we set up a variable to store the results. The first choice comparison is pretty obvious. If a player and a computer got the same number, it's a draw. Then for the rest of the logic, it's all about whoever got the greater number will win. That logic works for most cases. For example, scissors can cut paper, and by the way, 3 is greater than 2, and so it for paper can wrap rock, then 2 is greater than 1. Only for this case, the number 3 is greater than 1, but the rock crushes scissors. So in this, we have to exclude this case by writing this line of code. Same for the last branch. Only difference is we have to flip the number and the results. So that's the end of my presentation. Next, I'm going to give a quick demo just to show if the program works. So I introduced most of parts of my code only for this method. This method is basically a conversion between the number and the relevant choices. Now I'm gonna be running this program. So we make a choice and choose paper. Oh, sometime the the random number generator doesn't work accordingly. I don't know why. So we're gonna play again by choose yes. Then we make another choice. This time we make paper again. As you can see, I chose paper. The computer randomly chose rock, and the paper wins. So next, I'm gonna use the debug mode to walk through the code. First off, we set up a breakpoint. So next. Okay, paper. As you can see, this variable player choice got number 2, which means we chose paper. Then we keep running next statement. Oh, computer choice. We have to do it again. Paper choice 2. This time computer choose scissors. So the result string is empty right now. So the computer's choice is number 3, player's choice number 2. We should expect the pointer will be running to the 3rd branch. There you go. The result is computer will win this game. And again, computer choose 3, player choice number 2, which is not this case. So in the end, we print out the choices made by player and computer. Then we print who wins the game. Then finally, computer will prompt us if we want to play. So we choose no this time. Then this Boolean variable quit will accept value true. Then we try to decide if we gonna continue this loop, which will be discontinued. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. Thank you.